Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASUS router lineup with ZenWiFi Pro XT12. So friend, ASUS is expanding its router lineup with the ZenWiFi Pro XT12, a Wi-Fi 6 capable mesh system for seamless and lightning fast home network coverage. And friend, for ultra fast networks, the Broadcom WiFi chip and 2.0 GHz 64-bit CPU boost Wi-Fi 6 performance up to 11,000 Mbps. And friend, in addition, a backhaul benefits from the new standard by not occupying frequencies that are required for fast connecting thanks to tri-band configuration. And unlike dual band mesh system where the bandwidth available to devices is halved due to need for a backhaul connection, it allows user to use one of the 5 GHz band, a dedicated backhaul connection, providing a faster and enables more stable traffic between the hubs without slowing down the connected device. And if desired, it is done by automatically selecting the best connection and allows up to 4 times speed compared to Wi-Fi 5 thanks to support of ODM and MU-MIMO. And the latest and more powerful version of RangeBoost Plus technology alongside other integrated technology enables 38% more coverage. And this allows coverage of over 550 meters square than can be expanded with any additional ASUS AiMesh system. And wired router to client for full router to node black hole connection unlock their full performance through the 2.5 Gbps Ethernet ports. And it enables the ultra fast connection to bandwidth intensive devices such as NAS devices. And it's all packed into the new attractive design of the Pro series, which illuminates the home with futuristic splendor. And it is available at a suggested price of 509.95 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.